Hello, MetaClariti community. I'm Fatma, your guide to staying ahead in the fast-paced world of the 21st century. Today, we're exploring a topic that's essential for thriving in the digital age: 5 tools smart people use in 2024. Join me as we uncover the latest innovations and technologies that can supercharge your productivity and effectiveness. But first, don't forget to subscribe to MetaClariti and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our cutting-edge content. Now, let's dive into the tools that will elevate your game. 1. AI-powered personal assistants. First up on our list of tools for smart people in 2024 are AI-powered personal assistants. These digital companions leverage artificial intelligence to streamline your tasks, manage your schedule, and provide valuable insights. From scheduling meetings to organizing your inbox, AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are revolutionizing the way we work and live. 2. Collaboration platforms. In today's interconnected world, collaboration is key to success. That's why smart people in 2024 are leveraging collaboration platforms to work seamlessly with colleagues, clients, and partners across the globe. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Asana facilitate real-time communication, project management, and collaboration, empowering teams to achieve their goals more efficiently than ever before. 3. Virtual reality for training and development. Virtual reality (VR) isn't just for gaming anymore, it's also a powerful tool for training and development. Smart individuals in 2024 are harnessing VR technology to immerse themselves in realistic training scenarios, from practicing public speaking to honing technical skills. With VR, you can learn by doing in a safe and controlled environment, accelerating your learning curve and mastering new skills in record time. 4. Blockchain for secure transactions. In an era of increasing cybersecurity threats, smart people in 2024 are turning to blockchain technology for secure transactions. Blockchain offers a decentralized and tamper-proof way to record transactions, making it ideal for everything from financial transactions to supply chain management. By leveraging blockchain, individuals can ensure the integrity and security of their transactions, protecting their assets and data from cyber threats. 5. Mindfulness and meditation apps. Last but not least, smart people in 2024 recognize the importance of mental well-being in achieving success. That's why they're turning to mindfulness and meditation apps to cultivate a sense of calm, focus, and clarity amidst the chaos of modern life. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer guided meditation sessions, breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques to help individuals manage stress, improve concentration, and enhance their overall well-being. There you have it, MetaClariti fam, 5 tools that smart people are using in 2024 to stay ahead of the curve. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MetaClariti for more insights and tips on thriving in the digital age. Until next time, this is Fatma, signing off. Stay smart, stay savvy, and keep striving for greatness.